Hi again, it's me in Nantes in France. This is my first video ever in France, and this is Nantes. It's a city, just it took me like 3 hours and a half by train from Paris, and I'm in front of a church and I want to share with you my experience. I hope you like it. So here they are selling second-hand books in Nantes, just next to this church.
À mon avis, ils sont partis par là.
So they are selling DVDs and CDs here, and old furniture. Oh wow, I like this. This is beautiful. This is for candles. Wow, this is nice. Antique things. Oh. This is nice. This is very nice. Ça c'est trop stylé. This is cool. So this is for €2. I'm gonna buy it. I like it. So also this one costs me €5. I'm gonna buy it also. I like it. It's beautiful. Wow. Prices are very cheap here. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my god, I am so happy with this. I like it so much. I'm gonna take it to my house in Qatar and just put it just next to the TV. €5 only. Also, this one reminds me of Halloween in the USA. I can put candles in the middle here. Boom! So it's December here, like it's like 8 degrees. It might rain next week. We are just on the 23rd of December, so we are heading to Christmas. And Nantes looks like a beautiful place. I'm discovering it. This is my just first evening here.